this video we are going to create one sort of ester which we are going to use drafting or landing by ourselves, not automatic landing. And this sort of ester is usually used in commercial buildings because we want to, for example, give more space to people to communicate in the esters because of the population. And after that we are going to create our esters for our project. So first we will go to our practice area, which is here, and after that we are going to start drafting our esters. So we will go to the esters and we are starting drafting by straight A1 to A2 or S2, it's okay. And after that we will start drafting. First we are going to draft 15 of our ester like this, or 14 of our riser, as you will see here. Then instead of continuing your ester to draft it here, you need to go pick this ester, use the mirror option, and then you are going to have your ester here as well. So 1 to 14, 1 to 14. The next step is to go pick your straight and start continuing your riser 15 to 27. So we finished. For creating landing, because right now you see we don't have any landing because automatic landing was off. For creating landing we need to go to the landing here and the option of pick two runs. So we will pick this runs and this run, then we are going to have one landing here. Click OK, and we are going to check it in our section first. We will see it's like this. We are going to have two riser here go up and one here, and you're going to check it in our 3D view. It's going to be like this stair, but my purpose was to draft this stair wider than the other two, for example for 2 meters, and after that we are going to have this stair. So we designed this stair by the purpose of creating landing by ourselves, and also this stair usually used in commercial buildings because people can come up from two separate way, go up from one bigger space and like opposite situation. So we can design it like that. You will have a problem, it's like kind of troubleshooting, if you are going to, instead of mirroring your ester, because you might face this problem if you don't pay attention. Instead of mirroring this ester, you are going to continue your ester here. For example, you will continue your ester here, but we need to like use this for a lower method, lower amount of ester. So I'm just going, for example, to create a 10 ester here, and after that if I create 10 ester here and then 10 ester here, if you do this problem, if you do this, you are going to have a problem. By clicking landing, you cannot pick your landing. You know what? Because when we go to the section, we will see 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, for example. But it wasn't our purpose. Our purpose was have to 1 to 10, 1 to 10, and after 10 to 20. So we wanted to have it like that, which we created by using a mirror option. So now we know how to create our ester without using an automatic landing by picking landing.